These machines, which may seem simple, have helped Australian farmers turn traditional farms into million-dollar income machines. You'll be amazed when you see how it works. Watch the entire video with me to uncover the secret to getting rich, and don't forget to drop a 1 in the comments. A prime example is the circular exercise system developed by Kylix, specially designed to help dogs move naturally, safely, and effectively. This system uses rotating guiding gates that help regulate the dog's speed and direction as they move in a fixed circular path. As a result, dogs maintain a healthy physique, reduce stress, and avoid issues related to inactivity. It's an ideal solution for farms, training centers, or modern pet care facilities where animal health is always a top priority. With this automatic exercise system alone, dogs can walk on time, at the right pace, and you'll still have time to enjoy your coffee. In another corner, a nail care technician needs only a few gentle moves, and the hydraulic system positions the animal. No pain, no stress, no panic. The animal is secured safely yet comfortably, allowing the nail trimming process to be fast and accurate. The hoof support panels can be flexibly adjusted to each animal's size, helping to reduce pressure on the joints and prevent injury. As a result, it not only ensures the pet's health but also saves time and effort for the operator. The BioClip technology harvests biological wool from sheep without mechanical tools, a method that reduces stress and enhances wool quality. The process begins by injecting a special protein that causes the wool fibers to naturally separate from the skin after about a week. At that point, the fleece is removed like a coat, causing no pain or injury to the sheep. Since no shears or clippers are used, this method offers better protection for the sheep's skin, lowers the risk of infection, and maximizes wool yield, a humane breakthrough in modern livestock farming. In the world of baby chicks, time is gold. Just seconds after hatching, they're immediately placed into a hot air tunnel for drying, then quickly moved into the process of gender sorting, weighing, and health screening. Weak or deformed chicks are removed, while the healthy ones are gently placed into trays equipped with light and vibration sensors, ready for their journey to the farm. Every step is programmed and precisely controlled down to each gram and each minute, ensuring maximum efficiency and absolute safety. Can you guess which technology will surprise you next in the world of modern livestock farming? Don't take your eyes off the screen. As for pigs that unfortunately don't survive, they are not wasted but are processed using advanced technology in a smart composting system. The animal remains are placed in a natural compost pile for 9 days to safely initiate the biodegradation process. Then, a specialized composting machine mixes and grinds the remaining materials, accelerating the decomposition process. The result is a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer that is safe for the soil and environmentally friendly. This is a closed-loop cycle that helps protect soil resources and promote sustainable agricultural development. The Milkamax milking robot quietly moves along the cow barn, gently calling each cow by name like a familiar friend. With its flexible mechanical arm, it carefully cleans each teat, ensuring cleanliness before beginning the milking process. Every action is carried out precisely and smoothly, without frightening or disturbing the cow, ensuring efficient milk collection and high-quality output. This is a modern, animal-friendly solution for the dairy farming industry. As for sheep, they get a spa treatment with special solution baths designed to protect against parasites. This process is called sheep dipping. The animals are carefully dipped into medicated water or rinsed with liquid solution. The goal is to eliminate external parasites and protect the animal's health. During this process, the wool is fully soaked, providing effective protection. This system is an automatic foot bath developed to care for the health of cows' hooves. The cows are guided to the bath, gently stepping through a hoof-soaking solution that disinfects, cleans, and prevents hoof diseases, all without any force. After each pass through the system, the liquid is drained and replaced with fresh solution. Everything happens naturally and smoothly, offering peace of mind to farmers and maximum welfare for the animals. Modern technology is turning animal care into a friendly and efficient experience. It's hard to believe, but a single person can handle an entire flock of sheep with ease thanks to the smart tilting system. With just a few simple actions, each sheep is gently tilted into a secure frame, no screaming, no struggling. Health checks, vaccinations, and hoof care become quick, precise, and incredibly gentle. If you have questions, drop a 1 in the comments below. The first few weeks of life are the golden period for calves, and now, technology has turned milk feeding into a fully automated process. No more manual mixing or manual timing. The smart system ensures the milk is mixed at the exact ratio and keeps the temperature consistently stable thanks to a stainless steel-wrapped container. Special spouts allow milk to pour quickly, neatly, and cleanly, not a single drop wasted. In just moments, hundreds of calves are cared for regularly, on time, and with full nutrition. A modern, precise, and humane solution that helps every calf get the healthiest possible start. Finally, the SwiftFlow goat milking system is a breakthrough advancement in modern livestock farming. With just one operator, the system can automatically milk up to 1,800 goats quickly and in an extremely hygienic way. Each goat is guided into its own feeding trough, gently secured, and the milking cluster is attached within seconds. After milking, the cluster automatically detaches, the teats are disinfected, and the equipment is cleaned immediately. The result: time saved, reduced stress for the animals, and improved milk quality. We have just explored the impressive journey of technological advancement in livestock farming. But that is only a small part of the bigger picture. Now, let's step into a more unique field: kangaroo farming, wild, fascinating, and full of potential. Kangaroos are the iconic marsupials of Australia, distinguished by their strong hind legs, long tails for balance, and exceptional jumping ability. They mainly live in grasslands, open forests, and arid deserts, places with hot, dry climates and low rainfall. Kangaroo farms range from small to medium scale, primarily for meat and leather production. These farms usually cover large areas, simulating natural environments so kangaroos can roam freely, as they require vast space to move. Kangaroos belong to the marsupial group, where the young are nurtured in the mother's pouch after birth. They are herbivores, active mostly in the early morning and late afternoon. The commercially raised and harvested species include red kangaroo, eastern grey kangaroo, western grey kangaroo, and wallaroo. It's astonishing that a fully grown male kangaroo can run at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour. Kangaroos live in groups called mobs, each typically consisting of 10 to 50 individuals, sometimes reaching hundreds in areas with favorable living conditions. Within the mob, a large, strong male, called the boomer, takes on the role of leader and protector of the group. Other males frequently challenge the boomer for the top position through battles resembling boxing matches, using punches, kicks, and balancing with their tails. This is a natural way to select the strongest leader, ensuring the survival of a robust lineage in the wild. The ice cream production process begins with strict sterilization to ensure a clean and safe food environment. All workers must undergo a thorough sterilization process before entering the production area, which includes sanitizing their hands and bodies with a special disinfectant solution. The sterilization room is maintained at a temperature of 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, to prevent bacterial growth. This hygiene control minimizes the risk of contamination from humans to the production line, ensuring the quality of each ice cream product. The next step is preparing the ingredients for the first type of ice cream, the cup of ice cream. The main ingredients include carefully selected sugar, butter, and fresh milk, ensuring freshness and great flavor. These ingredients are precisely measured according to standard ratios to create a rich, smooth, and consistent ice cream flavor. Each batch of production can contain about 26 gallons, 100 liters of liquid ice cream mixture. Sugar and butter are blended with fresh milk through a high-powered mixing system operating at 200 revolutions per minute. This mixing process ensures that the ingredients dissolve and combine perfectly in a temperature-controlled environment of 39 to 44 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 to 7 degrees Celsius, keeping the mixture smooth and preventing it from becoming too hot. After mixing, the ice cream mixture is pumped into pre-sterilized plastic cups. The filling process is automated to ensure an even amount of ice cream in each cup, maintaining both quality and appearance. The cups are then transferred to a cold storage system, where the temperature is maintained at -0.4 degrees Fahrenheit, -18 degrees Celsius. This chilling process ensures that the ice cream reaches the necessary freezing point while maintaining a soft and smooth texture. Once the ice cream meets the required temperature and firmness, the cups are packed into containers and prepared for shipment. Next is the process of making fruit-flavored ice cream, shaped like little dragon balls as they move along the production line. Once the ice cream is frozen into round balls, they are automatically sorted by color and size using an intelligent sensor system. The yellow and purple balls, representing the two signature flavors, are sorted into different sizes based on packaging requirements. After sorting, the fruit-flavored ice cream is packaged in attractive packaging, giving it an appealing look that appeals to young consumers. Finally, the process of producing fresh milk ice cream begins. At this stage, robotic arms automatically place ice cream containers onto the conveyor belt, arranging them for the filling process. The fresh milk ice cream mixture is then pumped into the containers through pipes, with a consistent and precise flow, creating full and uniform ice cream boxes. These containers are shaped like soda bottles to make them unique and easily recognizable. Once the ice cream is fully pumped into the containers, they are carefully packaged and sent to cold storage for preservation. Did you know that durian is also one of the fruits used to make desserts? Join me as we explore how durian fruits are harvested. If you're not a fan of durian, leave a 0. Durian farms are where farmers put in a lot of effort to provide high-quality durians for processing factories. To help the trees thrive, they ensure that each durian tree gets enough sunlight, allowing the leaves to photosynthesize effectively and produce sweet, aromatic fruit. Fresh air is also crucial, as the growing area needs proper ventilation to prevent diseases caused by bacteria and fungi. Water is an essential element. Farmers regularly water the trees, especially during the flowering and fruit development stages, helping the durians grow large and juicy. They frequently inspect each fruit, removing any signs of pests early and addressing environmental threats such as harsh weather or insects. Thanks to this careful attention, the durians can develop optimally, ensuring that each fruit has a rich, sweet flavor, a captivating fragrance, and consistent quality before reaching consumers. If you're a fan of this dessert, leave a 1. Ice cream ingredients like milk, fruit, and nuts provide calcium, protein, and vitamin C, which help support the immune system and improve bone and dental health. Ice cream is also a quick source of energy, leaving you feeling refreshed and energized. Interestingly, eating ice cream can boost your mood and reduce stress, bringing a sense of relaxation and happiness. For this reason, many people choose ice cream as their favorite dessert to end a meal on a joyful note. Statistics show that every year, billions of liters of ice cream are consumed worldwide. However, enjoying ice cream should be done in moderation to avoid unwanted weight gain, especially since it contains a significant amount of sugar and fat. The Gelato Festival World Masters, the world's largest gelato festival, is a highlight event for ice cream lovers. Held annually, the festival started in Italy and now attracts top gelato artisans from around the world, including from the US, Japan, France, and Brazil. Thousands of visitors attend to sample special gelato flavors, ranging from classic options like vanilla and chocolate to unique creations like lavender and green tea. The festival's main event is the competition to find the World Gelato Champion, where talented artisans showcase their skills in crafting the most refined gelato flavors. The durian harvesting process is typically done manually to ensure the highest quality for each fruit. Farmers must choose the right time to harvest, when the durian is just ripe enough, with the skin still firm and not fully matured. At this point, the skin turns a slight yellowish-green color, and the characteristic fragrance begins to spread gently. This indicates that the fruit is ready, but still has enough firmness to withstand transportation and storage without being damaged. Farmers use a sharp knife to carefully cut the fruit from the branch, avoiding any harm to both the fruit and the tree. After being harvested, the durians are neatly placed in crates, lined with padding to minimize impact, and then carefully transported to the processing plant, ensuring that each fruit maintains its best quality. At the factory, workers sort the durians by size, color, and ripeness in preparation for the processing stage. Next, the cleaning process begins by washing the durians in water tanks to remove dirt and impurities. After being washed and sorted, the durians are sent to the production line to separate the segments. Workers use special tools to carefully extract the durian segments from the shell. Once separated, the durian segments are carefully packed into containers. This ensures convenience and optimal storage for durian products. You might think the journey of the durian ends here, but not yet. Let me take you to a processing line where durian pulp and segments are fried. At the factory, the green durian pulp and segments are sliced thinly before being fried in large oil vats. After frying to a golden crisp, they are removed, drained of excess oil, and cooled before being packed. If you're far away but still want to enjoy durian, frozen durian is a great option. Once it reaches the desired temperature, workers package the durian for shipping to distant locations. Although durian has a strong odor and isn't easily enjoyed by everyone, it remains one of the most popular and sought-after fruits worldwide. With its unique and delicious flavor, durian is widely available in market stalls, supermarkets, and large fruit wholesale markets. Its easy accessibility at various locations has made it a popular choice for consumers eager to experience the natural taste of this fruit.